if you have a workflow that you want to import, this is how you can import your workflow easily without any issue. Let me show you how you can import that workflow. First thing you have to do, go to your anything. It's going to be there, and make sure you have downloaded your workflow. So, let's just use the one on Telegram to download it. So I'm going to use this one, which is called the motivational shorts. I'm going to download it. And as you can see, after downloading it, I'm going to save it. Or maybe open it like this. After opening like this, I'm going to copy it. This is one of the first ways you can do it. And click on create workflow. After clicking on creating workflow, you can now copy whatever you paste inside there. Let us not finish. You can now paste it right here. As you can see, you have everything in place and everything is in order. Okay? So, the only part you need to change is some of these parts where you have to connect your this thing, because mine is different from yours. Because mine is different from yours. So you get, so that's it. And the second way is download it on your PC. And you are going to click here. Okay. And click on import file. Search where you download, your file is download it and that's all. So, thank you for watching and, have a nice day. So guys, we are here and this is how the automation is going to work and is going to, play out. So let's check on the workflow and how the workflow look like. Now we have the schedule trigger, which is going to run every 4 hours. The thing is we have to run this thing manually because just run like 4, 5, 6 times, or you can just open your local host. We are using local host for now. Why are we using the local host? The reason why we're using local host to get this thing, as you can see here, is the URL. The reason why I'm using the local host is when it comes to downloads, there is something we have to download on our local host, but it will not be easy because we'll be exhausting our capacity on the DPS. That is why we decided to hold this base row. So here's how this works. First thing, click on schedule trigger. It's going to go to you're going to go to our database to fetch the database and the table name. And after fetching the database and table name, it's going to get all the music. It's going to get all the music too. And after getting all the music, it's going to get all the video codes. All those codes. It's going to get all those codes. And after getting all those codes, it's going to make sure and also aggregate each videos. The video part is going to create the video part and it's going to create a music part. And the next thing is going to go get the video code. After getting the video code, it's going to make sure it limits. After limiting this to 1, it's going to go through this and pick a random videos. Don't forget, what we are creating is a motivational video. It's going to generate, as you can see, it's going to generate pick a random videos out of the videos, and it's going to generate a name. After generating a name, it's going to generate a text overlay. It's going to generate the parts and join everything together. It's going to join the background videos, the music, and also the text. It's going to join it together. And after joining it together, it's going to create a YouTube link, and it's also going to download it. Okay, and we can now upload it to our social. Whether we are going to upload it to YouTube or Facebook Reels, and it's going to make sure it's updated so it won't use the same codes over and over and over again. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. So number 1, we need the videos. So that means we need to download videos, like background videos we love to use first. And second thing, we have to get non-copyrighted music or maybe a copyright music, and which you can just use 10 seconds out of that music and just get the non-copyrighted music to use. And we need a more codes. Okay, we need more codes for this thing to work. Okay, so that is the reason why we get our this ready. We get our AI music ready. We get our video code ready. We get everything ready for this. But only thing we are going to need for now is base. So, without further ado, let us get started. So, once you log into your account, your base accounts, where's my base accounts? Should need something like, I don't even know again. So, let me go and check out my base accounts. This, Docker, this. What's going on here? What is going on here? Docker PS. So, I want to see how, okay, the base rule is running on 85, okay? So, 85. Now, you have to create a database. After you log in, you have to create a database which is Corios. So for the sake of these tutorials, I'm going to delete this database. So I'm going to create a new database. As you can see, we can click on database and name of database will give views and shots. So this is just motivation. Shots. MOV, okay, reads and shorts MOV, and create the database. And the next thing is creating a table. We are going to rename this table, turn this table to files. I'm going to turn this to files and create another table which is called the video log. Videos log. Okay. Yeah. I have an thing we have to import. We have to import some tables because it's very, very important before we proceed. So let us focus on the file right here. Now, for the file, we just need the change this field from name and change it to formula, and you are going to input row ID, and search for row ID. You can row ID and you can save. So you see right here, then just delete this for now. Delete row for now. The next thing is we have to create, so it should be the BG video, so which is called the background video, BG videos. So we are going to change this one to file and we can save. Now we are going to duplicate this. Select here and click on duplicate field. Copy data. And let's delete this one. We don't need it. Now we are going to have our BG music here. Okay. Music. Yeah. So I'm going to change this one to row ID. Row ID. So the next one is finding our BG video we will love to use. Okay. So we are going to go to TikTok to download whatever videos we are going to use here. So let's go to TikTok. For me, I want to create back my data that I've used. So I think this is not okay. I just need for me, I love using anime. Okay. Let's use this guy. Medivh. Is it Medivh? Let's say Medivh Warrior. So this guy right there. I think I'll use it. So let's go to somewhere. So we can use this one and let's go to TikTok video downloader. TikTok We didn't download that. And also we are going to need the background music too. That is the what? TikTok video. Download that. And we are going to need the music too, like I said to you. We are going to start in music. It's just 10%, okay? So I'm going to use this guy here. And click on Paste and Downloads. So we are going to download without watermark. As you can see, we're going to download without watermark. We are done with the first one. Oh, I don't think I think I'm going to change this data there. I'm going to change this data. So let's find another one. So this also look okay. Let's go and download it again. Paste the link. Click on downloads. We're going to download without watermark. So we download the second video. Let's do another one. So let's go back. Paste the link again and click on downloads and download without watermark. Let's go back again. So this one also look okay to me. Let's go back. Don't know why this thing now. So I think I'm going to go with this one too. Let's click on downloads. So that's what I'm back. So I think this one is also look okay to me. Please, go back. And let's try another one. Let's see. Let's reload. Paste your link, click on download. Without watermark, yes. So we have like 4 now. So I'm going to find another one. So I'm going to focus on anime this time around. Let me just search for anime. Or let's see. Anime. Revenge. So so this one also look okay. Let's go there. Reload. And let's find another one. So we're going to need this one. I don't want this one. Just want one without text. So this one is okay too. I'll just download it. So just make sure you download everything. So we are focusing on uploading video this time around. Okay. So we download that one too. Download without watermark. And let's find another one. Now let's click on download. That's watermark. Let's go for this too. Movements. Let's check the movements. So for me, I think we are done here. So the next thing is going to your folder, and you have to select everything here and name it, rename me. So it's going to rename itself automatically. So the next thing is upload it to Amawana file, to review file. I'm going to click on it. Okay, you can plus, drop your woman. You can upload and go to 2. You can upload. So you don't need to be getting the link yourself again. Okay. Go to 3. You can upload. Go to 4. You can upload. So the next time we are going to do the same thing for the music. The number 5, we are going to click on also upload. And also for the number 6, we are also going to click on upload. I'm going to click on upload for the number 6 into our base row under the background video. And for the last one, which is number 7, we have to click on the upload. So this is going to serve as our background videos for our motivational video. Now the next thing is our background music. Now you can find a good revenge anime song from TikTok. Okay. On TikTok. So here it is. So I don't think this one makes sense. So let's go for another one. No. No, we don't want any, just music. Let's play another one. So for me, I'm going to find me and the devil. So we can look for the slow one. Okay. Slow. And record it for the slow one. Many are get man. So me and the devil. You and the devil. The devil. Slow song. So that's what we are looking for. So we can download that one as MP4 to use. No, I don't want that one. So I'm going to copy this, go to the download, so also download this as the MP3. Don't forget, you are using MP3. Click on download. And we're going to download just the MP3, and after downloading this, you are going to rename it and upload it. So let me do an example, and you can do the rest for yourself. Next video, we are going to focus on how you can create your video log, or also be creating these videos. So let us meet in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Click on upload for the number 6. Draw, raise row, from that background video. And for the last one, which is number 7, the outlook clip on upload. So this is going to serve as our background of the videos for our motivation app. And the next thing is our now let's find our anime song from TikTok. So here it is. Sure. I don't think this one makes sense, so let's move on to one. No. No, don't want to go just music. Let's do it all. So for me, I'm going to find and it did. So making a file. Making a file. That's the first step to tell you to use it. Well, number 1, I don't know if it would still because I'm not actually students. It's that place. So, makafanis nito ba? That's this date. That's that. So, I'll try to get it in chat or on the sentence. Get this. Get there. Get this. There. Yes, sir. Which breaths? Which breath? Which? Go. So, Yep. Yep. Nice. Yeah. God. And then. Sure. Well, again. This. This. Yeah, yeah. It's all. You found. Let's go on. I guess let's see your disadvantage. So, how's my back? There we go. See, well, let's see. Yeah. Just put that on, but is it? I feel young, Xong rồi Lisa Gardner You're double team. You share a logo. Nó là hơi các bạn. Você ó. Hey, I'm gonna tell my break. Are you gonna see no more out of that? Look me in the eyes, tell me how much is. They twist it up, they twist it up, yo, give us a check out. Top 10 most popular songs in 2025 pop. Johnny's home, young doing travel, how we should fast forward to go. That. Tom, please. But there's a side to you, you'll never, you are the thing. So you say they would never do was negate. Oh my God. Oh no. TikTok songs you probably did in there. We're still on there now. I got to Very good for my move. I won't cry. What? The ghost of swap. Ship. What? Because I don't know if that God, boys, see about it. Oh, I don't need that here. Lord, I'm the guy. Alright, here's the guy. Do I see argument here? actually the most trying part of the video, in which I'm trying to build this thing. Okay, it take me a lot, twerking a lot before I can get whatever I want. Okay, so I use the combination of coin, cloud AI. Sometimes I need to be able to get to where I am now. So without further ado, let us load our let us refresh the page. Let us load our new file. So we are going to import this as a CSV. So I'm going to name this video logs. Now we can import the CSV or paste the table data or import SML, JSON, iCal field, blah blah blah, whatever they are trying to say. So go to your motivation. As you can see, it's inside the video log. Okay. Yours can be like this, so see layout. So you want to click on file and you want to click on export, or is it download? I think this is download and click on CSV. Okay. So after you install your CSV, you want to go to your log, so video log, import CSV and choose file. We are going to import this video log. Boom, as you can see, everything is loaded. So click on add the table. It's going to add everything to the table. Maybe in the later day, I'm going to show you how to load if this thing finishes, because this thing is actually going to finish. Okay. This thing is going to finish. So I want to change this one, edit field. Let's change it to long text and click on OK. So I think we are okay with this now. So as you can see, this is the code. All things are changing, not dies. Nothing more honorable than a grateful heart. So now we have the status. Now we have to set the status to edit field. Change the status from we have to single selected. From single selected, you have to add an option. Done. Just done. Just done. I'm going to select green. We have this processing, and then I'm going to set this field, right? I click on that. So the reason we are doing this is to control how many posts this thing posted daily. So make sure each one of these posts, as you can see, is set to processing. So I'm going to set the 6 of these to processing, okay? Because for YouTube, you can do like 6 posting per day for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For Facebook, you can do only like 20 per day. So I want to click on edit field to change this to a link. I want to change this to a link, URL, okay? Now, I want to duplicate this for the Facebook, okay? I want to duplicate this for Facebook. So let's duplicate this field, copy data. So I want to use it the Facebook Reels, okay? FB Reels. So FB Reels, and click on save. So we have the posted time. The posted time is going to be click on the edit field. You want to set the created on, okay? So include the time. So 24 hours, blah, blah, blah. Let's do like that. So I don't know the reason why it shows everything like this, okay? Now I actually know the reason. But I think I'm going to just leave it like this. Just leave it like this for now. I'm going to leave it like this for now. So we have to be updating this thing itself. Oh, let's see. How we select everything there. So let's go down to the last number. I don't know, see me shrink. As you can see, so we have over 419 videos there. So let's go. I'm going to delete this one. So instead of created on, I think we are going to change it to modify on. So let's change it to edit field. Instead of created on, click on the last modify, okay, and click on sets. So she'll change something from this. Let's go. Hey, hope it doesn't delete our others 19 rows. Let me check something. I hope it doesn't delete our 19 rows. Okay, it doesn't delete 19 of our 19 rows. This is what I hate. Split delete 0. Get row. So just make sure you set this thing to the time the last modifier. Make sure you set to last modifier. Okay. So I'm going to need it. Again. Azao now. So we are going to delete it. So as you can see, now we have the file. We also have the video log. We have the file. We have the video log. So everything has now set for us to be starting to update our yeah. It's deleting my posts. So this thing is kind of deleting my posts. Can you see? So I think I'm going to leave it there. Oh, let me just even delete this thing itself. Let me delete this. Delete field. So I'm going to restore the detail view and do Control Z. It's done. It's done. Good, that I now have my row back. So the next thing I have to do is to create post time. I have to make a choice. This here is in last movie file, including time. So the action cannot be completed because it has an error, blah blah blah. So I think I'm going to leave it. It doesn't work like that. Just going to read. Let's read this. So I'm going to delete this field now. As you can see, my let's create a time post-it and posted. I'm going to click on dates. Click time. I think it's okay now. So I think we are okay. For the status, make sure you select scenes in processing. This is what you are going to be doing daily unless you want YouTube to ban your account. But the thing is, it will not be posted if it's more than 6 per day. Okay. So we have finished on how to create video logs with quotes. So we have finished this part. Next thing is rule. Check out this thing work. Now we have our files. As you can see, you should have your files now. And also, there is what we call, you have to create one team, create another one, which is called the row ID. It's called the row ID. Row ID. So you are going to search for formula and search for row ID. Okay. Click on done. Click on create. So row ID is going to be somewhere here. And we are going to change it to the primary field. The row ID is going to be the primary field. Change. So we have the row ID here. And everything is now set. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. And in this module, we are going to talk about how to generate your codes. So this is over 5 RM codes, and I'm using ChatGPT to generate every one of it. So first thing you have to do is to determine which kind of codes you would like to use. Okay? So I'm going to ChatGPT to generate it. So let's use another one to actually run this. Now, I want to generate so let's say I want to generate dynamic codes that console such person Islamic codes 500 Islamic codes 500 Islamic code that's consumed a sad person in these formats. So this format would be these formats, the title and the video transcription. So let us copy this and go here. The title and video transcripts. The title and video transcripts. So in these formats, where the title will have hashtag, and the comments separately. It goes separately. I'm sorry, guys. It codes separately. Where the title, we have hashtag and the code separately. Each code must be 10 to 20 words long. The title, will have 5 to 6 hashtag. All will be in a separated comma for my Google Sheets. We are going to need this thing, okay? So let's go there and generate this. So click on generate. So this is going to analyze everything for us. Now, you are going to go to an Excel sheet and you are going to create a new Excel sheet. For me, I have an Excel sheet I have to use. So you are going to call the Excel sheet a video log, and I'm going to show you how you can do that one. So we are going to call it whatever niche you are trying to do. So I'm going for the Islamic. So Islamic motivation. Now we are going to make sure these headers, we have all of these headers, as you can see, posted time. So it's and wow, I can't even spill everything. Can you imagine? So let's click on view and this special value only. So value doesn't work. Go to edit. This special format only is not working. So as you can see, this is it. And you are going to add the last one. So we have to add another one here. So I'm going to call this one the Facebook reel. Okay? The Facebook reel. Now I'm going to drag it from here to here. So Facebook reel link. So it's going to be this is the video title, the transcript, the output parts, the status, the YouTube link, and the reels with the post time. So let's see so this thing has generics. So still analyzing, let's see. Still analyzing and still writing everything for us. So after it has been done, we are going to open it and copy it So these are the codes, and let us wait for another one. Okay. So still analyze. I'm going to pause this video for now. So after so much twerking, and this thing later generates 500 for me. So here is the 500, as you can see. Here is 500. So let us copy these. Let us copy these and go to our Google Sheets. So I'm going to paste it here. As you can see, we are going to click on paste as a special column. So it doesn't work, as you can see. Ctrl Z, and I'm going to click on Ctrl Z again, Ctrl V again, format only. So I don't know how I even do it before. So let me create a new sheet now. Let's create a new sheet. So let's use this new sheet to do it. What's wrong? So I think we used to our no posts value only. So it doesn't work. Ctrl Z. This is our new sheet though. Ctrl V. So it's going to ask us space to column, dictate comma. Okay. I think it will based on okay, Ctrl V then. I don't know why this thing is not working again. So, split to columns. So it's not working. Select all. So this is everything. And what is condition formatting? I don't even know the condition formatting. So, let's see. So none of this is actually working. So you can either import the CSV you download. So I'm going to click on file. I'm going to make an import. So I think that's the okay for us than just going out there and setting this. So I'm going to go for here and let's upload this. So import. So I'm going to divide by comma. As you can see, imports. So I said it's already import successfully already, as you can see. Now we have everything ready. Okay, we have everything ready. Now you can copy it to whatever where you want to copy it. And as you can see, we have everything in areas now. As you can see, over 5. So I'm going to delete this one. This one is not there again because this is the previous one I'm using. So I'm going to delete it. Go to the newest one. I'm going to copy it by 500. So copy and then paste it. This is wrong here. So I'm going to paste it here into the video log. So we have everything running now. So I love so people stop asking. Yeah, so stop. Silent became a language when they say. So I think there is something wrong with this thing. So make sure you check everything very well. Check everything very well. So I think something is wrong with these codes, as you can see. So we can ask it to produce just 100 of these. As you can see, I don't want to be strong. I want to be understood. Strong, I understood. I don't want to be strong. So there's actually something wrong with this thing. So After you fix it, maybe you should start by 100. And after you fix it, as you can see, trust, verily, your silence is heard clearly by your own who lives. Allah is near. Your silence is heard clearly by your own who lives. In truth, as you've always come at this, trust in Allah perfect plan. Often your creators, okay, you are not alone. I think this one look okay. You are not alone, you are not alone. In truth, paying attention, health makes presenter. So keep going. Hold on to hope, keep trusting. Indeed, I think it's called to remember who sustains you. So I think we are going to end this one. Go and fix it. Get started by 100. In the next episode, we are going to import it into things, new table we want to create. Thanks for watching and have a nice. So guys, since we are now done, the next thing is started our workflow. So first thing we have to start with the getting of the videos. Okay, we already load the video in the video file and we have the music. We also have the video log. Now what we are going to do is you are going to import this workflow into yours. Okay, so if you want to import it, I'm going to leave the link for inside the group for you to download this. So you are going to click on import files. When you click on import files, you are going to click on this and it's going to import. Okay, or just go here to create a new workflow. Okay, after you create a new workflow, then you can get this. So number one is getting started with the schedule shader. Now we have to get this is the base row node. This is the base row node. So click here. And for the base row accounts, I have the account 1 and account 2. Now I'm going to edit this one and change this one. Okay. This is my account before. This is my account before. Now I'm going to load my new account. You are going to use your host address. This is your host address. As you can see, you are going to copy your host address, which is here. And you are going to paste it. Let me close this one. Let's move this one closer. So you are going to paste it here. Okay. And remove this. The next thing is the username you register. You used to register when you are registering your base row. Okay. The username you use when you are registering, you have to input it here and your password is going to be here. And after you have done, just click on save. So after you click on save with your password, it's going to show you it right here. Okay. So we are going to select what are we doing. We are selecting these brief and short videos. And the next thing is the table. We are selecting the files for us to get all the videos. Okay. So let us get all the videos and we are going to pin it. So it's going to go there and get all our videos. As you can see, it gets all the videos. These are the list. Let us go to the table. As you can see, these are all the videos and get each URL of each video. Now we are going to pin these results. Okay, we are going to pin these results. The next thing we have to do is to aggregate the video. So this will set a video path for us. Okay, so let us aggregate the video. As you can see, it says empty video paths. Okay, empty video paths. So the video path was not found in the input item, which I'm going to later fix. So the next thing is to get all the music. Okay, we're going to get all the music after pinning this one. Okay, just use this, pinning this, and to make sure that we are not going back to initial things. Okay, select the rules and select the file. So this here is to get all the music. Okay, all the music. So the reason why we are not getting the video part is because I almost said the new part right. We're supposed to get all this music here. Okay. Just want to check this out again. Let's go back. I want to check something. Instead of, let us use the BG videos. Let's use the BG videos. I want to check something else. So still empty BG videos. So as you can see, I think we are right now. So we get the path for each videos. So this is actually what we want. So change it to V videos. What I'm using before is the video part. Now for the music, after getting the music, you have to change this to the DG musics. let us set it this one first. Get this one first. So we have the BG music. Don't forget, copy it and go to your aggregates and paste your, instead of music part, set it to BG music. Okay, it's going to return the music only. So it's for us to get the data for the music and also the video only. So I'm going to print this one. Now we have to get the codes. Okay, we have to get the codes. So we are going to click on these reels, and that is load. We have to video log, and we have to get the one which we have status. The status is processing. Don't forget, we set the second one to status is processing. It's going to get all the video codes that status is set to processing. Now we have 7 of it instead of 6. Okay, we have 7 of it instead of 6. So we have to pin that one too. In that one too. The next thing we have to do is to go to the limit on codes. Click on it. It's going to get only one code. Only one code. As you can see, only one code. Going to get only one code here. And the next thing is pick random. Pick video and music in random. The reason why this thing is showing red, okay, I'm going to show you now. The reason why these pick videos look red is because the path we set, okay, instead of using this path, we use the background music. Don't forget, we use the background music. Don't forget, that is what we used before. So we're going to change it to BG music, okay? So we are here to aggregate, to set, to pick the video and music in random, okay? We have to pick the video and the music in random. Let's go back for this one. And also paste it here. So we should actually see some changes. If we don't see some changes, that means actually something is not right. And we are going to get rid of it together. As you can see, now it's pick the video from horse. This is one of the video, this is the MP3 links, as you can see. And this is the video link, which is MP4, I think. They are actually, okay, and MP4 is going to select it at random. Now, let us go to the video. We have these video parts. Now, we are going to use what we call the DG videos. Don't forget, that is what we use. We are supposed to use here, okay, videos. So, maybe, as you can see, it displays itself. And make sure you clear the extra thing you see here, okay? So, now, let us copy this now. And we have to replace it with the video parts. We have to replace it with the video parts, and you should see some results. If everything is right, okay, I think we are wrong yet. So, as you can see, get the video in random. So, let us click on test. And after testing, now we have 2 things. We have the video title, we have the transcripts, and we also have the music part and video part in randoms. These are what 2 things we need, and these 3 things to need to move on. So I'm going to pin it, so we won't have to go back again. Now, we have to pick the part generator, which is going to generate parts for us, because we need this, okay? So, input video part underscore music, blah, 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 like that. So, we're actually going to change this, okay? We are actually going to change this into this. I think this is going to be the music part. Okay, I think we have the video part and music part. So click on test. As you can see, we have the parts. Now we are going to do what? Flip it. Okay, pin it. The next one is generating the name. Okay, we have to generate the name as random. You need the name to make sure they are able to access this. Now, for this file, we have to, let me explain this thing to you. This is color white, okay, and the font size is 50, and the video width, as you can see, the video width is 108, and the size, so you can actually tell this on yourself. Please don't change any of it, okay? So let us click on generate, generate something for us. Now it's going to generate this thing for us. Enjoy present pleasure, blah, 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 like that. So that is the code. It was taken in random. Now we are going to use this execute command. So how does this work? how does this work? This is going to get the video parts, the music, and also the text, and also the file name for us. It's going to merge everything together. Now, let us merge everything together and see what we got. I'm going to click on test right now. So it's going to go out there and do the work for us, okay? So you can see now, the video has already been generated, but we have to make sure it has been generated here. So this is the actual part. I'm going to show you that you have to set it up yourself. You have to set up the YouTube credential, but let me show you what it does. So what it does is get all our videos and upload it, and we can be able to see it, okay? This is what it does, okay? So this is it in plain text uploader, and this file is used to check and grab our videos. Now let us play our videos to see what we got here. As you can see now, so that's it. Now let us show you, in the next video I'm going to show you how to actually get your YouTube what we call it, the YouTube O2 API for you to get this, and also this URL, okay? It's already going to be here, okay, but you have to create your own credential yourself, so you don't want to miss out on any of these, okay? It's very, very important. So let us meet in the next episode. So I'm going to pin all these so it doesn't go away. Let's pin it. So I think we pin this one too. Now pin this. So let me show you how to set up the O2 client. Okay. So after you get it, this is the O2 client credential. Okay. And the next thing you have to do is to click on the file scope. As you can see, these are the credentials that we need. Okay. Now, so don't forget to leave this URL and let it be like that. So the next thing you have to do, I want to text this URL again. Maybe it's still working, because last one I checked is not working for me again. I don't know the reason. So go to console.google.com. This is where we are going to get our O2 API. Where is my... So I think it's working here. I don't know why it's not working in other places. Go. Now, this is your first time running. Okay, if this is your first time running, you have to create a project. Okay, it will ask you to create a project if this is your first time you are running anything here. It will ask you to create a project. So you want to create a project, just click on here, or just click on new project. After you click on new project, it will ask for your name and everything. Just fill it and leave it there. For me, I want to be using the one that I'm using before. And let us go to the home page. As you can see, it's already set it to anything auto. The next thing is API and services. Okay. Now, after you get to the API, you want to search for whatever I do now. Just do it. Don't ask any question. So go to the drive. Go to search for drive, the driver API. Want to activate it. Okay. Want to activate the drive API. You want to activate the Gmail API. You want to activate the calendar API. If you want to activate the Google API, the Google Sheets API, the YouTube Data 3 API. All these API, just make sure you can leave this. Just make sure you activate it. If you need anything again in the future, you are not going to come back here. Just need to get your API and make everything run. Okay. Now, as you can see, let me enable this one too. And the next thing you have to do is after you have set this thing to your YouTube account, I'm going to click on here, okay, to edit. You are going to copy your own local host. It's going to look like this. since you are using the local host. This is for YouTube account though. This is my YouTube account, okay? So, since you are using local host, you are going to copy it first. You are going to also need it, but wait. Let me set this one finished. This one is already done. And we have another one. So, this one already done. The next thing is to get our auto clients, which is the credential for running our YouTube. So, go to I think you have to go to the client, and you get there, and the next thing is to create, okay? Let us create a client, and the application type is going to be, let's go for web application, and I'm going to name these N8N, okay, N8N. The next thing is, we have to copy this credential and save it here. Okay, I think it's there. Yeah, I think it's there. So it's going to be here, the authorized URL. Okay, you authorize, as you can see, the direct URL. So it's going to be here, and click on create. So it's going to give you a credential. Okay, it's going to give me this credential. So you can now copy it. Okay, after you copy it, you are copying the client ID. You are going to paste it here, as you can see, and the secret key. You are going to paste it here, and then the next thing you are going to do is to save and sign in. To ask you to connect. If you don't have a YouTube account before, the account you want to use, your YouTube account, that is the account you should be using. If you don't use it, you are going to have issues. Okay, you are going to have issue for this. Okay, so after you sign it, it's going to just look like this. So let me first shall probably do my own. So, as you can see, both of these are different. This is using O2 Direct URL. I think they are two. When you are checking it out, just make sure you are selecting O2 Direct URL. Now, let me click on Sign in Google. So, it's going to ask me to choose, and I will choose my main account, this account that I'm using, I want to use. Okay? And I'm going to go back to continue. On which I'm going to click on continue, okay? And it's done. Boom. It's done. So that is how you are going to connect it then. So, the next thing is, I made a mistake to you guys. You have to install what we call the FFmpeg pack. I want us to get started. So I'm going to create a video. So I'm going to fix the tutorials before we proceed. So this is how you can set up your YouTube API data. And please don't forget, okay? Don't forget to use this as a select the credential. This is how it's going to show for you. Don't change anything there. Don't change anything, okay? Because that is how it's going to be working for you. And don't forget, after then we have this what we call the upload video. And this is how it's going to work. So let's play this now. Don't change anything. This is the video. So next thing is we have this upload video, and we have the same accounts. Don't forget we already decided to use the account here. Okay. So this is the YouTube accounts. So when you upload this one right now, let us click on upload. So you can see it's already uploaded. This one is already the what? Uploaded. So this is the we want to check the thumbnail is that one. Now we have the final one, which is the one we are going to use for make sure our code is done. Now we have the base row. So we are going to select the video log. No, not video log. We are going to select the reel and shorts. It's going to bring the table option. The table option is video log. The next thing is defining this row. Okay, this should be this should be status. Okay, this one should be file ID, I think it's going to be output. It's going to be the output ID if I'm not wrong. It's going to be the output ID. Output paths rather. We also have this one. This is going to be our YouTube URL. It's going to be the YouTube links. And also, this one should be the time. Okay, time posted. Now, when we complete this one, it's going to give us what? To output. Now, let us go to there and refresh the page. I'm going to see the first one is going to show done. So you can see this is done. And let us view our YouTube channel. So this is our YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to configure for Facebook Reel later. Okay, so we have completed these. Okay, so in this video, I've shown you how to set up whatever you want to set up here. I'm going to give you the workflow. If you have any question, just ask in the group. Okay, so thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next episode where I'm going to set up the rules. The reason why I decided to set this thing up differently is to make sure that we didn't exceed the limits. We didn't exceed the limits for the Facebook or for the YouTube, because they only allow 6 video per day, so we don't want to be bombarding them with multiple video. That is the reason why I separate it. So we are going to copy this and create a new workflow. So let me save it now. And I'm going to unpin all of this. Maybe we should run it more. Whereas unpin. Whereas unpin. Now, let's run it again and see how it's going to work. Let's run it again. So, it's going to get a new video, as you can see. Get video codes, as you can see. Now it's creating the video using our FFmpeg, which is really very important when we come to this. I'm going to show you how to install the FFmpeg too. Please wait. So as you can see, it already moved here, and here. So let us view the video again here. So this is the